The MirrorPad Pro has this really cool feature where you can not only magnify, but even control your Android phone from the MirrorPad Pro. You can use the touchscreen, do video calls, play games. You can do anything from the MirrorPad Pro that you could usually do on your Android phone. It's easy. All you need to do is download the MirrorPlay app, which is available for free on the Google Play Store. Let me walk you through exactly how to download the MirrorPlay app so that you can start magnifying and controlling your Android smartphone from the MirrorPad Pro.
Welcome to IRIAT, Braille and Low Vision.
So the first thing that you're gonna wanna do is find the Google Play Store, and then we're gonna go over to the search bar and type MirrorPlay, all one word. We're gonna scroll down to find the MirrorPlay app with the orange icon that says Site Care under it, and we're just gonna press install. Easy, right? Bam, done. We're gonna press open, and then it might come up with some notifications asking for permissions of things, and we're just gonna go ahead and click yes to all of those. The next thing that you're gonna do is grab your USB-C cable and just plug it into your phone while being in the MirrorPlay app. Press OK, and it should be connected to your phone. Now you can use, magnify, and control your Android smartphone from the MirrorPad Pro. Make sure to subscribe to the IRIAT YouTube channel for more great videos and trainings on the latest in Braille and low vision products.